welcome to the instructional video for the Etheric Crystal bed. Today I'm going to cover the assembly and the function of the bed. For the assembly, first thing you need is to make sure you have all the parts. You have your stand, you have your case with your lights in it, you have your remote, you have your plug, an Allen wrench, the extension bar, and the light bar. I've already set up the stand behind the bed, which is the first thing you need to do. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to put the extension bar in the light bar. You want to make sure that the holes in the extension bar line up with the set screws in the light bar. Slide the extension bar into the flange, take the Allen screw and tighten the set screw. Once you have firmly secured the extension bar, take the extension bar and the light bar, insert it into the stand. There is a security knob on the top to tighten the extension. Once you have that firmly in place, you can actually rotate it. Take the power supply and insert it into the end of the track. Now that we've got the bar in place and the power source is hooked up, now we want to take our lights, and there's a sticker on the front. Okay, that sticker is going to turn to the side. You're going to insert the light in the track and twist the light until the sticker is facing forward. The light will automatically come on if you have the power source plugged in. Okay? Each light will do the same thing. And you can place them anywhere you would like on the light bar. Place it in, twist it till the sticker is facing towards you. The light will automatically come on. Once you have all of the lights securely in the track and they are all on and functioning, you'll see that all of the lights swivel in 180 degrees, which makes them fully adjustable from side to side. If you turn them, they are also adjustable 180 degrees front to back. So this gives you a wide range of adjustment that you can use while working on the body. Also, as I pointed out before, you can take a light and completely remove it. You can take a light and just move it over to better position the area you're working on. So you can spread them very far apart, or you can put them very close together. It's up to you. They fully adjust anywhere on the bar, and they fully swivel. Once you get it set to a position that you want, there's a knob on the side, and you turn that knob and it will hold its position. Now the first time you turn the lights on, they automatically start going through the different colors in a fade mode. You can tell that each one is changing color. But you can control that with the remote. If you point directly at the crystal and push a color, then it will remain on that color. The color of the chakras, of course, is red, orange, yellow, green, light blue, dark blue, and purple. Dark blue and purple. Okay? Now, they are all set on color and will remain that way until you actually turn the power source off. If you do that and then turn them back on, they will default back and you will have to set each color again. If you use the remote to turn them off, when you turn them back on, they will be the same color that you set before you turn them off with the remote. They do have a color memory. So you don't have to go through setting them every time. You turn them off, turn them on. And the color is always set at that until you change it. If you change it, then it will remember that color. So you can set any light, any color you wish in the spectrum of the remote, and it will remember that color, and you can change any one at any time. You can have this one dark blue. You can have this one red. You can change the color according to how you're working with the body. That's great for pranic healing because pranic healing uses a lot of different color. So that's great for that because you can control each light individually. You can even turn this one off and the rest of them are still on. Or these two off and the rest of them are still on. Or you can have them all off. You can have all of them off but one and just use the one. Okay? Well, thank you for watching the video, and I hope it was educational and did some help. If you buy one of these lights, then that was the purpose for making this instructional video, so you see how easy it is to assemble and how easy it is to operate. Thank you very much for watching.